Hello everybody, Lone Star Rocker Channel here at the Hawaiian Falls. It's a beautiful day today in the Colony, Texas. And so anyway, we're gonna come in here and get on some water slides and have some fun. So let's do it. Yes. Hawaiian Falls Water Park. What do you think about that, huh? It looks great. Awesome.
I just want to go to the wave pool.
The wave pool first?
Yep.
Well, here we are. We got the wave pool here. Not overly crowded, I can tell. It's gonna be hard to find a shady spot. Is it too hot to stay? All right, so I brought the GoPro so we can get wet. If we stay out here too long, we'll get sunburned, like super bad. I don't see any waves. Pretty good so far. Yeah, I think they would have a map somewhere. We gotta find a map because we're completely lost. But the wave pool was pretty awesome, very chill. Free rafts, which is nice. I don't know which way we're going here. Let's go to Adventure Reef. Violet, you want to go in the lazy river over there? Yeah. That sounds fun. Adventure Reef. That must be the giant, like half pipe.
You can tell when you're under the bridge and underwater.
Somebody's gonna go down the half pipe here. Oh, there they go. Woo! Looks fun. The lazy river's here. We just need to get a raft. Where can we get a raft? There's a raft.
This is Timmy.
Where can we stash our stuff while we're on the river?
Loves it.
How are we gonna get a raft? Here comes a raft.
Da -da. Da -da -da -da. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy.
There's a raft for you. You have to look for a raft that's not being used. Oh wow, or a nice guy. Super nice guy. Extra raft. Thank you. Now we're gonna float the river, okay? Here we go. We're gonna give up our raft. Great. So the lazy river, what'd you think? Pretty good?
Yeah.
It was very relaxing. Now what would you like to do?
Let's go get on a water slide.
A water slide, and what kind of snack did you say?
Dole Whip.
A Dole Whip. They have Dole Whips here. Dole Whip, yeah. There it is, right there, the Dole Whip. What do you think about that?
It looks good.
Looks really good, doesn't it? It's gigantic.
We need help.
Pineapple. So they got the mask rule when you're eating and when you're going to the bathroom, but everywhere else in the park is cool. So we're gonna go up to the splash house area here and see if we can go down a water slide. When's it gonna drop? Oh, it's dropping. Here it goes. Wow. That looks pretty exciting. Well, it's just the perfect day to be at the water park, as you can see. And right as school's about to begin. So I had to get out here and have some fun. Might be able to see the bucket. Here it goes. Whoa! Wow! Let's keep going. This is an easy one, see? Whew! You gonna go?
I'm waiting for him.
No, but I'm asking you if you're gonna go. Ow. My toe hurts.
I'll go. I'm waiting for
He's
him.
not scared. Are you scared? No. You gonna go? He totally cut you, Violet, but that's okay. He looks cold. Are you cold? A little cold?
Oh, my little guy.
Yeah, he went for it. Go for it, Violet. Off the cushion. Well, we picked up some Dippin' Dots here, our second cold treat of the day. Having a great time at Hawaiian Falls. Just relaxing at the wave pool. Can't beat that. Well, that was Hawaiian Falls. We came, we saw, we rode some water slides. What'd you think, Violet? Was it fun?
Yeah.
It was great. Anyway, it's super hot, you know, and I don't want to get overly sunburned, so we're gonna head on back, upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe and have a most
Rockin' day.
rockin' day.